So now that we got the battery box up, we're gonna put all the batteries in. Get them ready. Always make sure that you have enough clearance because you need to put your control box, and if you put it too close, then you can't get it off. So you gotta make sure you can at least, there you go, like that. Thank you. Goes in there like that, and then that's done. And remember, always lock your boxes so nobody comes over and steals your batteries. Only thing I don't like about this, I always do these on the ground because I don't want to hit the circuit board. That's why I do it, so I can see where I'm at. God bless America. No, I don't have a nut driver to fit on it. It would make it a lot easier. Such a pain in the buttocks. You're laughing at me. All right, we're having a catastrophic meltdown here. Sometimes you just got to get the right height. Ooh, that wasn't good. Right about there.